What's up, YouTube? Back in the garage. This thing is tacked up. Turned out awesome. So I'm gonna TIG weld it. Nick showed up.
What up? I am making a bracket for my cruise control.
Oh, that is geometry, dude.
Dude, try it. The finished project isn't gonna look that good.
And Mr. Matt Ward. How's it going?
Oh, it's going.
What is up, YouTube? Back in the garage. We're getting started quick today. The LS RX8 is outside. Matt, what's new about the car?
The exhaust looks new.
Well, yeah, so the exhaust is new, but what else?
I don't know. Oh, it's registered.
It's tagged, boy.
Yes, sir.
So what does that mean?
You can drive it.
We're gonna drive it. For real this time. So anyways, we are finally taking this thing for a proper test drive. We got a nice day and it's together enough that we're gonna see what happens.
Rev it up.
Rev it up.
Today is Dale Earnhardt's birthday. Did it for Dale.
You can like tilt this thing down if it's easier to hold it like
I don't know. All right, first drive in the
First drive.
RX8.
Oh man. Yeah, brakes feel like they're working. Just make sure before I get too far.
Stop.
Nerve-wracking. Oh man. It's scary.
Oh man, it's noisy with that tunnel open.
It is. I've never driven a car with this much power.
It's gonna be fast.
Dude, look at that drive shaft in there. That's raw, dude. Freaking death trap. Speedometer's working. Tack is working.
Dude, it's nice.
Brake lights are all working and stuff.
I don't know about the third one, but I do.
Oh, yeah, I don't know if the third one's working.
You don't need that anyhow.
I think I need
There we
the
go.
alignment, but
Gotta get that young alignment.
I also felt like when I did the burnout, it like had a bunch of wheel hop, like the back end was like skipping around.
It might just be a little grippy, I don't know.
Could be.
Could be an issue with these cars, I'm not sure.
Well, it could be just the alignment too.
Yeah.
This side locally bronze, but
Checking to see if the fans are running. They're running the other day we did this, so. No? Oh my god.
dude, this thing
It's gonna be wild.
This thing is fast. It's just like what, 320?
Yeah, but this car weighs like nothing.
The transmission is not grinding or anything, which is good.
Perfect.
I wonder if ABS is working.
I mean, you can slam on the brakes if you want. I didn't feel it. Yeah. That new clutch.
Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing freaking squats.
surprised how much grip it has.
Dude. Yeah. I mean, I think those are decent tires too, so.
It's fast. It's very fast.
We haven't even ripped it yet.
Yeah, we haven't even tested it either.
Talking to Dale up on the house. Dale's over there.
In the window. Feels good.
It works.
It does work.
What do you think, Nick?
Ripper.
What do you think, Cade?
Ripper.
Ripper. Thing's freaking awesome, dude. Oh yeah. Yeah, it runs good.
Think?
I think it runs good. What do you think?
I think it does too. I think it was a good first test drive.
Yeah.
I don't think I could ask for much better.
Nope.
What's up, guys? As you saw, this thing is driving, which means I can relax. So anyways, 9 months later, this thing is running, driving.
That's a good photo. Cade, scoot back a little bit. No, Nick, stay there. Cade, scoot back a little bit. All right, now do it. All right, Nick, stay like that.
Not our director. 9 months later, this thing is running and driving and spinning tires. So, anyways,
Bye.
see you guys later.